Have you ever struggled with shaky footage or awkward angles? Well, the solution might be inside this box. Let us find out. Hello friends, in the last video we did unboxing of an earphone. Now in this video we will be unboxing a tripod ordered again from STW and logistics by Amazon. This is no more a tripod only. It is a game changer for content creators everywhere. Studies show that stable footage increases viewer engagement by 50%. Let us see if this tripod can deliver that level of stability. This is a mobile clamp or camera clamp. This is the tripod. It is also having a remote. This 13-inch Gorilla tripod is manufactured by DigiTek. This has flexible stand for mobile phone and cameras. Its model number is GTR260GT. It is a Chinese product and was first available on 22nd October 2020. With a journey of nearly 3.5 years in the market, it has managed to reach at the top with its product ranking number 5. Now let us delve deep into its details. First, heavy duty. It is portable, lightweight and durable, made of high quality plastic with load capacity of 1 kg. If its load exceeds 1 kg, then its legs are going to collapse like this. Second, clasp lock. It provides easy to lock and accurate angle mechanism which ensure that the tripod never loses the angle. Third, Bluetooth remote. It enables us to click photos and make videos from a distance. Fourth, handheld stability. Its anti-slip grip provide strong hold. Fifth, secure grip. Its legs are not just flexible, but they also have strong joints to have good grip on different surfaces. Sixth, seamless horizontal movement. 360 degree unzips the potential of cinematic quality footage and make every shot a masterpiece. Last but not the least, let us talk about Rockda. It is available at a price of merely 400 rupees. In conclusion, this tripod offers exceptional stability, flexibility and ease of use. Everything you need for a professional quality filming. Therefore, it is the ultimate solution for professional recording, landscape photography and also for both indoor and outdoor shootings. This Gorilla tripod has already proved to be a gem for many flourishing creators like Swaroj Joshi, Manoj De and many others. So friends, if you are a creator and thinking to buy a lightweight tripod with a minimal budget, you must give it a try. I hope this video has given you insights about this Gorilla tripod, and if you find it worth watching, you can hit the like button. To see this type of unboxing videos in the future, please don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you.